Hello, my fabulous fourth graders and anyone who's watching from home. So as we all know, we have been learning about and talking about long division, and most importantly, we have been discussing our steps and our strategies that help us with these long division problems. So today we are going to do some problems together. We are going to first talk about our steps and review those steps, and then we are going to see an example of how to implement those steps, and then I want you to try it on your own. So this is our little cheat sheet. You all should have this in your math folder, and we have a little acronym that helps us remember our steps in order of how to divide and do long division. So we have don't, miss, school, Charlie Brown. And this is perfect for our month of October, because if any of you have seen Charlie Brown and the Great Pumpkin, I'm sure that's something you can remember. So for don't, that goes with divide. For miss, we have multiply. For school, we have subtract. For Charlie, we have check. And for Brown, we have bring down. So I want you to write those down if you need a little bit of help remembering those. So now we are going to use these steps that I just read to you, and we are going to do an example problem. So I want you to grab a notebook, piece of paper, any type of paper you may have in front of you, a pen or pencil, and I want you to write down 380 divided by 5. So our first step is divide or don't. Divide. So can my number 5 go into the number 3? No, I don't think 5 can fit into the number 3. And if you want to pause this video and try and do this on your own and then watch it back, you are more than welcome to do that. But I'm just going to talk you through the steps. Okay, can 5 fit into 38? I think it can. Now we have to figure out how many times 5 can fit into 38. So think about your 5 times tables. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, 40. So how many times can 5 fit into 38? I think we should think about our 5 times 7 product. So we write 7 on top of the 8, because 5 goes into 38 7 times. And we should remember that 5 times 7 is 35. So we should be writing our 35 under our 38. Our next step, subtract, and that stands for school, or school stands for subtract, I should say. So you're going to add a little minus, and you're going to do some subtraction. So 8 minus 5 is 3. And then 3 minus 3, 0. So you have 3 left over. You should check it. So 3 plus 35 equals 38. And then, 5 times 7 equals 35. So just check your work as you go. Alrighty. And for our last and final step before we restart this whole process is for Brown and Charlie Brown, which is bring down. So, like we said, it's 380 divided by 5. So, we can't forget about the 0 right here. So we are going to bring it down. So what I like to do when I remember this is I will draw a little arrow under the 0, bring it down, and then I'm just going to cross out this 0. So we have 30 left. Let's think about our 5 times tables again. Pause this video, think about it. How many times can 5 fit into 30? This is our new number we should be focusing on, 30. I have an answer in my brain. And I think that 5 times 6 is 30. So we're going to write 6 on the top right here. Then you should know your next step. 5 times 6, 30. And then you're going to subtract. So you should have 30 minus 30. Check your work. And subtract would be 0. So now I have 0 left over. So your number at the top is 76. So 380 divided by 5 equals 76. Make sure to circle your answer because you have been showing some work. I loved that we got to do that together. And now I want you to do a problem on your own. I want you to teach whoever's home with you the next problem using our long division steps. So your problem is 582 divided by 6. Try this problem and we'll check it at school when we're back next. I'll see you guys. Thank you.